Top 3 newest scalping indicators on TradingView.com, and the great news is all of them are free to use. Let's open up a pure blank empty TradingView chart and head over to Indicators tab to add our first indicator. Search for Supertrend and you will see Supertrend RMA from Honeydew clicked at your chart, and this indicator is simply showing you and giving you buy signal, sell signal, and if the trend is bullish, it will show you on the chart. As you can see on my chart that when we go into the bullish phase, this indicator will give you buy signal like this and will give you short signal like this. And it will pull out these two lines over here, plus it will create this cloud for you. And you can use as a stop loss or a trailing stop loss if you want. To learn more about this indicator, let's go to about this script section very quickly so we will understand better. So the core concept is the indicator is built around two key principles, right? The smoothing and the volatility adoption. You can learn everything you need from here, but this indicator is new, it's trending, it's worth to check out. And now we will go to our second indicator, but I want to tell you something. In the end of the video, I will give you one bonus indicator, and this indicator made for scalpers, and of course it is free. So let's go to settings for the Supertrend dual RMA. Here you can see the RMA1 length is 14 and RMA2 is 21 and the ATR is 14, very important, and the multiplier is 2. Feel free again to play around with those settings. So let's go to Indicators tab to add our second indicator. Most traders understand setups, but they are still inconsistent because they haven't fixed their emotional responses. You can keep studying more strategies, or you can finally fix the real problem. Inside the control room, I work with traders one-on-one to rebuild their psychology, sharpen their discipline, and execute with confidence under the pressure. And for the first time ever, I am teaching my A+ model secret sauce, the exact framework behind my own trading consistency. If you are ready to level up your trading emotionally and strategically, the application link is in the description. And search for trend duration. You will see indicator from Chart Prime, trend duration forecast clicked at your chart. One of the greatest thing about this indicator, if you come to the recent price and hover it, you can see that the probable length is 17, which means this is estimated extension of the current bearish trend based on the average past durations. It is crazy, but this is a great idea. Congrats, Chart Prime. I really like it. And what else we have here? As you guys can see that it gives you obviously sell signal and the buy signal. Okay, Borsa, but what is these numbers here? I will explain you now. So let's zoom this 33. 33 doesn't mean a strength of this signal. It means this trend continued 33 candles. If you count till the next one, you will see that there was a 33 down close your candle, or you can see the bearish trend continue till 33. On the right bottom corner, you can see as a quick summary which trend continue how many minutes or how many candles. You can see everything at a glance here. So 22 average duration of the recent bullish trends and 17 is the bearish. So you can use all of those data and implement to your trading strategy. Put it on your chart, see if it's a good fit for you or not. We can just quickly go to the about this script section again. You can see all the key features here. You can see that it's a real-time updates, everything, adaptive sampling. So it's a great indicator. Now I want to quickly take you to my settings. My smoothing length is 50, trend detection sensitivity is 3, and trend sample size is 10. Feel free to play around with those, but this is the optimal settings. So if you want, you can change absolutely the style. Then that's everything. Just hit the OK button. Now we will add our third indicator, and I want to tell you that this indicator specifically is the best in my opinion across all these 3 indicators. Now, I know you're getting excited. Let's go to Indicators tab and search for Pro Scalper. And you will see this indicator from Bedrock Capital. Click that your chart. As you can see on my chart that this indicator plots a lot of things on the chart. For understand everything better, let's go to about this script section. These bubbles are delta bubbles. Pro Scalper is an intraday price action and liquidity map, right? So the session volume weighted average price, the opening range, this is a very nice feature, the first minutes of the session that set the day's balance, trend filter, exponential moving averages, 2 independent supply and demand zone engines, and order flow style visuals. These red bubbles means that there is a selling pressure. It's like you can call it absorption, you can call it a war between the buyers and sellers. And the great thing is you will see everything that happens here on the real time. And this indicator plots the supply, the demands, and there is 2 supply and 2 demand zone. So let's look over here. You can see the big buying pressure skyrocket up the price here. Then the price pulled back and we start getting these red bubbles. And if you notice something, the time is just 4 minutes before the market closure. And we are getting a repeatedly red delta candles. So you can initiate a short position here and you can ride your trade until you receive the first green candle. Let's say you can just create a lot of strategies using those crazy indicators. I really like this. You can take it on your chart and see in the real time. I highly suggest you check that out. So let's go to settings for this indicator, and as you can guess it, there are a lot of settings. You can copy everything you see here. We will go one by one. ATR length is 14, show sessions on VWAP, show opening range. These are very nice features. I highly suggest you use that, especially on the New York Open. It's very useful. So you have the trend filters here, you have the bubbles, which you like it, and you have these zones. You can basically copy everything. There are a lot of great settings. Feel free to play around. Don't be scared. Just go and test it. As I promised, now I want to give you a bonus indicator which will help you tremendous amount while you're scalping. Let's go to Indicators tab and search for ATR. Yes, ATR risk display. Click that to your chart. This indicator will not give you buy or sell signal, but it has more important mission than that. If you see my right bottom corner, it's doing some calculation and it give you some dollar amount value. Let's go to settings for this indicator and you can see that you can change the ATR time frame. So if you make it 1 minute and ATR is 14, this is how we like, and ATR multiplier is 1.5. So let's make this text size as a large so we can see. So what is this? This will automatically give you how much risk you can take based on the ATR. So if you increase this number, let's say if you want to make this 3, it will dynamically calculate ATR and will give you the dollar cost amount. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other videos here. And until the next time, see you soon.